So if you're looking for a business that you can start with 20k to 50k, make sure you watch these videos. And whether you're a student, a stay-at-home mom, a stay-at-home dad, or maybe you even have a 9 to 5 or your own business, looking for a side hustle that you can use to make extra income, make sure you watch this video. So with the way the economy is going now, everybody is looking for 1 or 2 ways to survive. People want to have more than 2 streams of income, and apart from that, so many people do not have so much capital to invest in big businesses, and that is why they are looking for businesses that they can start with little capital. Here are 6 business ideas that you can start with between 20,000 naira to 50,000 naira. So number 1 on my list is eyeglasses. I got this glass for less than 1,000 naira in China. Do you get? So I have 3 of it, different colors. If you want to sell eyeglasses, I'll advise that you import your eyeglasses by yourself. Do you get? And isn't this beautiful? If I did not tell you that I got this for less than 1,000 naira in China, you won't even know. And with your 20k, you can actually start selling glasses. And trust me, when you bring these glasses, you'll be selling these glasses for up to 4,000 naira, because they are stylish glasses in different colors. Like I said, I have them in different colors. And I'll advise that if you want to start selling of eyeglasses, import them by yourself. We will give you the opportunity to compare and contrast different prices. Do you get? You're going to see lesser prices, you're going to see higher prices, so you have to work with the one that fits into your budget, and you're going to make your profit. By the time you bring something like this in, even after calculating your shipping, eyeglass is selling very well this time around, and going to that business is not a wrong move at all. 2 is phone covers. People are always on the look for good covers. Statistics has it that one person has up to 2 phones, and it's true. Like me, I have 3 phones. So going into selling of phone covers is a very good business idea. If you think it's not lucrative, go to Computer Village if you're in Lagos and see for yourself. Do you understand? And now I'll advise that you should not just sell any phone covers, sell stylish phone covers, because these days we have a lot of phone makeovers and all of that. People are going for attractive, beautiful phone covers for their iPhones, for their Androids. If you want to go into the sale of phone covers, make sure you go for beautiful phone covers, stylish phone covers that are very attractive when you display them online. Trust me, whether you want to fly the phone cover or you're using sea shipping, you won't be at loss at all, because phone covers are light in weight. Phone covers these days sell so well. So number 3 on my list is jewelries. So jewelries like this sell so well. Do you get? These are jewelries bought by myself last year to gift my customers, those that are buying skincare products from me. Do you get? So when I imported these jewelries, I think one was like 300 or 250 or there, but that was last year. And these jewelries, I went online to check them. I see them selling for 2,500 naira. Now, if you're to calculate, imagine you, okay, let's say now maybe these jewelries are sold for 300, maybe 400, I don't know now, because of the exchange rate. You get? So if you're to calculate 2,500, 300 or 400, imagine how much you're making. Then whether you use sea shipping or you use freight, you're definitely going to make your game. I will advise you, if you want to make money on this like a ritualist, like you want to make excess money on jewelries, use sea shipping. Even if you later decide to sell them for 1,000 naira, for 1,500, you are still going to make a lot of profit on your jewelry business. So with this type of jewelries, you can start with 20,000 naira to 50,000 naira, but whichever way you're going to make money. And I advise you, when you're bringing in jewelries, make sure you bring in very beautiful jewelries. So if you need an inspiration on the kind of jewelries you can bring in, check this video. So number 4 on my list is hair accessories. You see, hair accessories, I will advise that you import too. I'm sorry if most of these things you have to import them, because as someone that imports, I'm telling you from experience. Do you get? For hair accessories, you will see a lot of varieties, especially when you're importing, because it's only when you're importing by yourself that you'll be using 20k to 50k to start this kind of business. If you're to buy from China, there are lots of varieties, and they are very, very affordable. So I'll advise that you import. There are varieties of beautiful hair accessories that you're going to get in China. So number 5 on my list is selling of stickers. When I mean stickers, I mean stickers like this. But if you want to start this sticker business, there are varieties of stickers that you can start with. There are gadget stickers. Depend on the niche you want to go into. Do you want to go for gadget stickers or you want to go for home stickers? Do you get? And in these home stickers, you have the bathroom sticker, the kitchen sticker, bedroom sticker. You even have the school stickers, that is for classrooms and all of that. So with 20k you can start this one. I know this one for sure. With 20k you can start this business, this sticker business. And the good thing is that these stickers are weightless, so whether you're flying it in or your sea shipping, whichever way, you will never be at loss in this business. So number 6 on my list is the sale of car accessories. These days people are decorating their cars. People are making their cars to look so beautiful because when they are in their cars it makes them feel good. So selling of car accessories is a very lucrative business. Now there are different car accessories that you can start with different capital. There are car accessories that you need much thousands, millions to start with, and there are car accessories that you just need your small capital to start with as well. And that is why for this type of car accessories you need just your 50k, let me just say 50k to start this type. And these car accessories are those small things that they put in the car, and you're going to make good profit from this, because trust me, most car owners are high net worth people. Anyone that has a car has money for maintenance, do you get? And many of them like to go for good things to put in their cars, and that is why when you go into this business you're going to make your money. If you know how to market this business very well, you will definitely make money, and before you know it you're growing a very big business. Guys, these are the 6 business ideas that you can start with between 20,000 naira to 50,000 naira and make your profit. So if you have any question at all, do well to post in the comment section, and thank you for sticking to the end. Don't forget to share and like this video as well. See you in my next video. Bye.